Hi everyone, I'm Erlene. Welcome to Trust Garden. I have here a plant that needs to be propagated because of the multiple stems produced in one plant here. Wow, this is a family of Calathea. The color combination of the leaves are pink and dark green. Sectoral, propagation sectoral. So because of multiple stems then in one pot and need to be transferred, so I have to propagate this one now. Here, a very nice plant. This is a family of Calathea. Okay, and this is named as peacock ginger, or this what we called as Caimperia pulchra. Okay. The variegation is quite different from other variegation of the kind of other Calathea. Here is just two colors being combined, the dark green and the pink color. So I am finding here stems, no, or stem with roots, so that this will be that the plant will easily grow. Okay, so easy to propagate because you have to find out some stem or stems that has or stem that has roots. Okay, so just break that one or cut it like that. So easy without using knife, so you can easily uh, break it from the mother plant. Okay, now I have to look for another stem because still a lot of stems here, so we need to detach it from the mother plant. Okay, another stem here. Okay, with a nice variegation, then like that. So just prick it like that here. So as you can observe here in the soil mix, no, I did not use a soil, no, a real soil, but rather I make my uh, mixture of soil. So I make use of this what we call as coco peat and carbonized rice hull mixed together to be the soil of this Calathea, or this Caimperia, no, Calathea. So I have here the container, and then the bottom of this container has a cocoa cubes, so easy to drain. And I have to put here a mixture of my soil here, coco peat and carbonized rice hull, 2:1, or meaning 2 container for the coco peat and 1 container for carbonized rice hull. Okay, it should be moist. The soil produces moist so that this plant will grow healthy like that. So nice, right? So don't forget to put some fertilizer on the top of it so that the plant will grow healthy and cover with soil like that. So okay, that's all for this afternoon. Thank you so much.